Mabuhay! I am Lyra May B. Domingo. The Philippines is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, but it's also one of the most vulnerable to environmental issues. That's why sustainability is a growing priority across the nation. According to the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR, many communities are now adopting eco-friendly practices such as solid waste segregation, renewable energy use, and mangrove reforestation to protect natural resources. Programs like the National Greening Program have planted over 1 billion trees since 2011, aiming to restore forests and reduce carbon emissions. However, challenges remain. As reported by the World Bank 2023, the Philippines struggle with plastic pollution, deforestation, and urban waste management. Rapid urbanization and weak enforcement of environmental laws make it difficult to maintain long-term sustainability. Sustainability in the Philippines is a shared responsibility. As citizens, every small action like recycling, conserving energy, and supporting green policies helps build a more sustainable future for all.